Hey, my name is Simon and I'm from Metabiz. Welcome to SugarCRM training. Today we are going to talk about tasks. Tasks can be assigned at multiple levels within the SugarCRM system. Tasks can be assigned at account level to specific accounts, can be assigned to contacts, opportunities, leads, targets, projects, you name it. The simple way of getting to see a task is going into the details view of a particular object we're talking about. In this particular case here, it's an account. King Software. We'll have a look at the details of King Software, and we can see here we've got this activities menu within King Software. You can see that all of the details are there. We've got this activities. We want to create a new task. A task is something for somebody to do within the system. So when we click on the Create Task activity, you'll see we get this, this window that allows us to enter as task details, and in this particular case we'll call it a task, for example. And you can see we can assign on the status, we can assign start dates, start times, okay. We can tell it we want it to finish on another day at another time. We can do all of those sorts of things that are just intuitive. I mean, most software allows you to do that type of thing. The cool stuff is we can actually relate it. In this particular case, we're relating it to King Software. We can also assign an individual contact. Contacts that are assigned to King Software is Christy Cohen. We can assign contacts within King Software or contacts that are not involved in King Software. Perhaps we want Susanna Milliken to be involved, to be the contact for this particular task. And we can obviously assign a description. Call the contact. Simple as that. The cool thing that we can do is assign it to individuals. So if we want this particular task to be completed by somebody who is not ourselves, we simply click this field here and assign it to, in this case here, Sarah Smith. So that's how we actually assign tasks to other people within SugarCRM that belong to another object. Okay, I hope that that sentence makes sense to you guys. So there we go. That's how we assign a task to a particular object within SugarCRM. That can be done to multiple windows throughout the system. So that particular task now is in this activities window. You can see here a task example. When I go to my activities screen, tasks, you will notice that at the top of the list is now our AA task example. Susanna, the one that we put in here earlier. The contact's in there, it's related to, details are in there, the assigned user are in there. Obviously, you don't have to have a contact or a related to. These can be tasks that are assigned to anything else. But it is advisable to track your information within Sugar. I mean, that's what the system is there for. You can also create tasks from this Create Task button. What this allows you to do is simply create a task from the task window. So this is something that's not related to anything within the system. So in this particular case here, we're going to create a task not related to anything. We'll leave related to blank, we'll leave contact blank, we'll have this in progress. Again, we can set start dates and start times, all of those types of things. We'll set it to the future, and it needs to be completed on the 30th. This person's working the weekend. We can assign the priority, and again, we can leave notes. Here, again, we can leave this assigned to ourselves, so it's for us to complete, or we can assign it to people allocated to us within the SugarCRM system. In this particular case, Will Weston. When we save the task, you will see that it comes up in the standard window, the details window, but when we go back to our View Tasks list, again, we're going to have the task at the top that's not related to anything, no contact assigned, no related to assigned, but it is assigned to Will Weston. So when Will Weston logs into the system, Will Weston sees the objects that are related to him. So he will get that, that advice here in the home screen. If you have that, that widget set up for him, Will Weston will get the task button here in his open task. He'll get the notification here in the open task. In this particular case, I don't have anything assigned to me, so I don't get it. Bad example, but we live and we learn. So this is Simon. I'm from Metabiz, and this is Sugar CRM Training. Thanks for listening.